8 miles down, in endless black where sunlight dies. Monsters creep that would make your skin crawl, and scientists still don't know everything about them. Stay until the end. The 5th creature will shock you. The deep ocean covers most of our planet, but we've explored only a tiny fraction. Today we dive into the abyss to meet 5 of the strangest creatures that survive crushing pressure, total darkness, and freezing cold. Number 1, the anglerfish. With a glowing fishing rod sprouting from its head. Anglerfish sit in the dark and wait. That glowing lure, the esker, is packed with symbiotic bacteria that produce light. The angler never wastes energy chasing prey. It simply waves the lure until something comes close enough to swallow whole. Bioluminescent lure uses bacteria housed in the esker to create light to attract prey in complete darkness. Low energy strategy, sits motionless. Slow metabolism conserves scarce calories. Pressure and anatomy? Soft, flexible bodies and reduced swim muscles reduce energetic cost at depth. Some deep angler species show extreme sexual dimorphism. Tiny males permanently attach to females and fuse bodies to become reproductive parasites. A living battery that provides sperm. The angler's teeth are long and inward curving, so prey can't escape once inside. Number 2, the vampire squid. Don't be fooled by the name. It doesn't suck blood. It lives in the oxygen minimum zone, where most animals can't survive. The vampire squid has unique tools that let it live in water so poor in oxygen that other cephalopods die. Low oxygen tolerance. Vampire squid have efficient oxygen-binding blood and extremely low metabolic rates. They can survive where oxygen is under a few % of surface levels. Neutral buoyancy and low energy, nearly neutrally buoyant, they float rather than actively swim, using tiny fins to conserve power. Feeding strategy. Feeds on marine snow, detritus, and uses sticky filaments to collect organic particles rather than chasing prey. They can invert a cloak of webbing and display spiny projections to appear larger when threatened. They are considered a living fossil with ancient lineage distinct from other squids. Number 3, the giant squid, a mythic monster in sailors' tales, but a real animal that lives in the deep. These enormous cephalopods can reach many meters long and capture large fish and other squids with long feeding tentacles. Their large eyes, among the largest in the animal kingdom, help detect faint bioluminescent flashes. Pressure and physiology, like many deep animals, they have flexible water-filled tissues rather than rigid air-filled cavities. So extreme pressure doesn't crush them. Energy strategy? Active predators, but thought to migrate vertically to chase prey. Most knowledge comes from stranded carcasses and rare deep-sea footage. Live encounters are extremely rare. Their giant eyes help detect sperm whale predators as well as prey. Number 4, the goblin shark, with its long, flattened snout and a jaw that shoots forward like a medieval trap. The goblin looks alien. It lives in deep waters, often sluggish but deadly when the moment comes to strike. Its long rostrum is packed with ampullae of Lorenzini, sensors that detect tiny electric fields from prey in total darkness. When prey is detected, the goblin can rapidly extend its jaws outward to snatch food. A fast mechanical strike rather than a fast swimmer. Sightings are rare. Most are caught accidentally on deep fishing lines or observed in submersible footage. It may migrate vertically, approaching shallower depths at night to feed. Number 5. The Dumbo octopus. With ear-like fins that look like cartoon ears, these octopuses glide over the abyss floor. They're small, gelatinous, and perfectly adapted to extreme depth. And that adaptation is what makes them so enchanting. Use pair of fins to fly in water, conserving energy as they search for slow-moving prey like worms and crustaceans. Feed on small benthic animals. Many species brood eggs for long periods, a strategy suited to the stable but resource-poor deep. They have been observed at depths greater than 7,000 meters in some species. Their cute Dumbo fins are an adaptation for slow, energy-efficient motion, not speed. These 5 animals show us how life finds a way. Through bioluminescence, extreme low oxygen tolerance, neutral buoyancy, flexible bodies, and built-in sensors that work in the dark. If you thought this was wild, we only scratched the surface. We couldn't cover everything in one video. There's far more detail in the linked sources. If you want the full, complete scientific studies and extra footage, click the link in the description right now. If you enjoyed this dive, like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which deep-sea creature freaked you out the most. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.